Last time on Sailing into Freedom.
The move begins.
What the fuck? Houston, we have a problem. My boat's missing. Bugger.
Hey baby, won't you sail with me out on the rolling sea? We'll find some place to go, maybe down to Barbados. It's an island off somewhere in the middle of nowhere, sailing to freedom, you and me.
Alright, let's start looking through these. Why is nothing where it's supposed to be? Everything has been moved.
A move of such magnitude is always challenging. Didn't anyone create an inventory list?
Must have slipped my mind. I had marked my equipment with bright red stickers. How is this even possible?
Plucky, let's approach this systematically. We'll start from that corner.
Your bright red stickers system, it seems, was not bright or systematic enough.
How would I know that everything has red stickers in this country? I know Holland has everything orange, but Vietnam, who would know?
Plucky, don't get disheartened. Let's focus. We'll find everything. You go look to the left and we will look in the offices.
Thanks, Bart. Let's get to it. A lot's been happening here since I've been here last, but all of these deliveries, I mean, these are all amongst my deliveries. In fact, some of mine have moved. So I've got to hunt down gear from Bruntons, Raymarine, Victron, Marlow, Anchor Right, hopefully it's still down there, Balmar, Furlers, and HiField Boats. Hopefully it's still down there too. So let's just go for a walk and let's make sure we know where everything is. All right, that's Bruntons, propellers done, and also transmission. This is Roypal. I'll have to take the tarp off and dismantle the batteries because I was charging them. We've got Victron, Raymarine, and I'm not quite sure what's under that. I put something in there under that. I'll check that. One of these is mine. But anyway, that's all going. So all of this has got to go. Now, where's my Marlow ropes? Because it was right in the middle here. I mean, it was basically in the middle of the thoroughfare. So, okay, here we go. This is all the ropes. I mean, check out that. Unbelievable. Yep, Marlow. Okay, what's this? No. All right, let's go down here. End of an era, people. End of an era. All right, here's my HiField boat. Dare to explore, damn straight. Okay, Balmar furlers, electrical motors. Believe it or not, that's the anchor. All right, let's go check out the other factory. And one of these, I gotta hunt down my daggerboards too. I don't know where they are. They've been moved. Oh, and this factory is in the dark. Okay, hull 6, they'll be getting that ready now. Let's check out where my daggerboards could be. Well, buggered if I know where my daggerboards are. I see one. Okay, 3 daggerboards. 1. I think this is, yeah, these are incomplete. Mine were complete. So this is hole 5 or 6. I gotta find out where mine are. Daggerboard. Don't know, people. I don't know. No light switch. Oh, here we go. Oh no, that's painted. So that's hull 2. Where the hell is mine? Maybe that one at the back is mine. That's only one. Here's some partially made up ones, but mine were made. So this is probably 3 or 4s with the handle. So this one must be mine, but where's its twin? The mystery deepens, people. Alright, let's see how well this tarp has held up. It's not great, I'm sure, but it's better than nothing. In the circumstances, I think it's quite good. Alright, I've got to disconnect everything now and pack it up.
Not a sound sneaking out through your window into the night where we were meant to be. Skipping town, searching for nowhere land. Ready or not, this might be our last chance. Maybe tonight.
Okay, we just got to disconnect these, reassemble it, pack it in their boxes, and we're done. And what I might do, I might just label all of these as some kind of a code, and I can just put them together just by looking at numbers instead of following the diagram.
If only for tonight, under the sky.